Hey, it's Tyrone Jackson, the wealthy investor, coming at you with this week's stock market lesson. Now, I want to talk to you about what's going on right now in the stock market. We're seeing an awful lot of consolidation with brands, pretty good earnings, and as you know, we're moving more and more towards a stay at home economy. And the way that you do very well for yourself in the stock market, of course, as always, is getting that financial education. And now more than ever, you're going to have to not just look at stock charts, but understand the stories behind the stock. So let's talk about Apple. You know, I'm always saying to you, don't buy the stock if you don't understand the story. Here's a 5 year chart of Apple. Here's what we know. It's a member of the Dow Jones Industrial Average. It's simultaneously a member of the S&P 500. Yes, we did see in 2018 a dip followed by retracement, another dip, and this stock is off to the races. But there's a lot of volatility here over 5 years. But still, if you bought the stock 5 years ago at, let's say, $130 a share, are you happy today? Yes, you held on through and through. Take a look at this picture. This is Costco, the wholesale retail company, currently trading around 300 bucks. If you had taken the ride for 5 years, would you have done well? Let's say you got your shares also here about $135 per share. How has the stock performed? Well, it's had its shares of pullbacks and then retracement and pullbacks and retracement. We see another interesting pullback here at 2018, slam down, followed by retracement. Why? Because as I always talk to you about top line revenue, if the top line revenue is strong, the stock will continue to rise. And I want to show you something really, really interesting. Now, let's look at Apple and Costco in terms of investment dollars. So, Apple, this member of the Dow Jones Industrial Average, pay attention here because this gets really interesting. And if you pick up this pattern, it's going to help you do really well. We know the ticker symbol's AAPL. It's in the Dow and the S&P. You see, $5,000 invested in Apple stock and you held on for 5 years would be over $13,200. $10,000 invested in Apple stock, this member of the Dow Jones Industrial Average, is worth over 26,000. That means what? All you did was ride out all of these waves and simply wait. Got it so far? Okay. $100,000 invested, which a lot of people did do because this is a Dow component, is now worth over $265,000. Now look at Costco, not in the Dow, but member of the S&P 500, $5,000 invested 5 years ago around the $135 range. See, that's right around in here somewhere. Okay, that $5,000 is now worth over $12,900 if you just waited. Now, if you follow my method, where did you get the money to buy the shares? Of course, from covered call writing, because that way you lower your capital risk. But look at the money that you invest and look at the rate of return. It's over 100% rate of return. But see, $10,000 invested is now worth over what? $25,000. $100,000 invested is now today worth over $250,000. Do you see that? What do we have in common? We're getting the money from the stock market, from covered call writing. We're building a position, and that's how we're getting the money to invest in the wealthy investor approach. Now, there's always one stock that breaks a rule, and I want to show you a company called Shopify, currently trading at $750 per share. But where was the stock less than 5 years ago? Well, it was around $27 or $30. And look how this stock has just taken off. Okay? This is the kind of stock that you go home and you dream about. How do you become an investor in a company like this so that you own your shares at around $754? Now, in full disclosure, this doesn't happen very often, but going forward, here's going to be the key to your success. Remember, don't buy the stock unless you understand the story. So what does Shopify actually do? Well, we know that it's not Costco, but we know, and here's where the revenue part comes in, we know that Costco has over 782 stores around the world, and they have how many people who are members? Over 94 million members pay a membership fee of what? $60 per year. That explains the growth in these Costco shares because the money from the membership fee, right, feeds the top line revenue. So that means that Costco is taking in over $500 million a year just in fees so that you can shop at the store. That's why we get a chart like this, because the top line revenue is going higher. How would they drive the top line revenue? Just go up on that fee $5 a year. Wall Street's going to love it, and that's going to send the stock soaring. But what about Shopify? How do you get this kind of growth? Well, don't buy the stock if you don't understand the story. Shopify not only does web hosting, but it allows anyone who's an e-commerce advertiser, someone like you and I, we could build a website there and we can start selling products on that website that we drop ship. Now, Shopify, as part of that, gets what? Not only the hosting fee that's guaranteed, but 2 to 3% of every sale on the website with the e-commerce component built in. So if you wanted to sell cell phone chargers or flashlights, you simply build a website on Shopify, and people come to your website when they purchase a product. Shopify is not only getting the hosting, but they're also getting the what? They're getting a piece of every sale. So they are one of the fastest growing e-commerce companies online today. Now, you're not going to buy the shares right now at $754, but you want to learn the methodology that allows you to catch the stock before it hits its new heights. How do you do that? You use the method that I call the $100 cross. When a stock crosses $100, it is going to attract a lot of institutional money, and they're going to watch the earnings and drive the stock higher. You and I are along for the ride. Now, what does that mean? Don't buy the stock if you don't understand the story. If you like these kinds of returns, look, this is over 100% in 5 years, over 100%. And look at the Shopify numbers. $5,000 invested 5 years ago is worth over $107,000. $10,000 if you knew the story 5 years ago about e-commerce, that's worth over $214,000, and $100,000 is worth over $1.2 million. How do you get returns? Maybe not Shopify, but Costco and Apple. How can you duplicate these returns and every once in a while get a kind of return that you see on Shopify? You have to understand the story behind the stock. Do you see I just explained to you how Apple makes money? Right? We know how Apple makes money off of the iPhone and off of their services division, and now, of course, what? Off of Apple TV. So I've explained that story a number of times. Costco, where does their initial revenue stream come from? It comes from the $60 a year to shop at their store. And then Shopify. If you don't know anything about e-commerce, you just learned how they make money off of every sale and off of web hosting. So you see, if you really want to be successful in the stock market, you have to study the market. We can choose stocks that have the greatest probability of going higher. That's your job. But I can tell you this, if you speculate and the 5-year charts don't look like this, or this, you're holding stocks that are going nowhere. Okay? So, a recap on today's lesson. Don't buy the stock if you don't understand the story. How does this company make money? Don't buy the stock if you don't understand the revenue stream and what countries they're expanding in. Because when you understand that, your money is going to grow exponentially, because now you can plug in a strategy like covered calls where the market gives you the money and you buy the stocks to invest in the long term. Okay? So, that's our lesson today. I know it's a little bit involved, but it's really, really valuable, and it's a system that works. When you're trading in the stock market, you want systems that work over and over and over and over again. And preferably, rather than investing your money, you want the money that you make from trading and invest it in the long term. Okay? Hey, if you like this lesson, make sure to leave a comment below. I actually respond to the comments. I'd like to hear what you think about a company like Shopify, Costco, and all this residual income that's hitting their top line automatically that drives the stock price higher. Leave a comment below. Make sure you subscribe to this channel. I hope you like this lesson as much as I did teaching it. And for those of you who want to follow my trades, my methodology, there's always Wealthy Investor Trade School. I'm here to help you. I'll take your questions every single week. And you can watch all the videos in my catalog that really show you how this methodology works out. That's it for now. See you soon.